Welcome. In today's video, we're diving into a quick and easy tutorial on how to create a new group on WhatsApp using keyboard shortcuts on your PC. With WhatsApp's latest update, this process has become faster and more efficient, so let's get started. First, open the WhatsApp application on your PC. If you're already logged in, you'll see your chats list and conversations. Navigate to the chat where you want to start creating your group. Now, here's where the magic happens. Use the shortcut. On your keyboard, press Ctrl plus Shift plus N. This combination instantly opens the group creation window. It's a simple yet powerful shortcut that saves time and effort. Once the group creation window is open, you'll be prompted to select the contacts you want to add to your new group. Browse through your contact list and click on each person you'd like to include. After selecting all the participants, click Next. Next, complete the setup for your new group. This includes naming your group and optionally adding a group profile picture. Make sure the name represents the purpose of your group or makes it easy for members to identify. Finally, click Create, and voila! Your new WhatsApp group is ready to go. You can now start chatting, sharing media, or even managing settings for the group as needed. This shortcut is especially useful for professionals or anyone managing multiple groups, as it eliminates extra steps and makes multitasking smoother. So give it a try next time you need to create a new group. It's fast, efficient, and hassle-free. That's it for today's tutorial. If you found this helpful, don't forget to share it with friends who might benefit from learning this trick. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.